Welcome back. Today we are going to start a new section. We are still on the non-generic classes and we are going to start a hash table class. Now the hash table represents a collection of key value pairs that are organized based on the hash code of the key. It uses the key to access the elements of the collection class. So it's a set of key value pairs with each key assigned a particular value, or each value has a distinct key. So hash table class is inherited from the object class on the top, and it implements the following interfaces: iCollection, iDictionary, iEnumerable, iClonable, iDeserialization callback, iSerializable. Now, like last lecture on array list, I can't emphasize the necessity of your frequenting this Microsoft documentation, because I strongly recommend, and I can't overemphasize all of you to frequent the following Microsoft link for official documentation on the generic collection classes. Now, this gives the detailed version of all the non-generic collection classes such as array list, hash table, and many others that we will see in future lectures. And you will get all the details of the methods and properties in each of the classes, with sometimes sample code also. And also, for a visit of the .NET Framework release, you can visit this Wikipedia site. And now what we can do is we can switch over to Visual Studio, and let me what I want to prove is that which are the classes that the hash table class is implementing, which are the interfaces that the hash table is implementing. So let's create a new class on this existing project and solution that we have started earlier. So we'll add a class and name it as hash table collection. So let me name it hash table collection. Right, the hash table collection class is created. Now here, if you recall, I have told that this non-generic collection class, which hash table is a part, it should use system.collections namespace. Now once you bring this system.collections, it will expose the hash table class. So hash code hash table. So create a new instance of hash table. Let's call this hash table with lowercase h equals new hash table. All right. So if you highlight this and go to the definition, it will show you all the interfaces, like what I said in the last slide, that it derives from all of these. It implements all of these interfaces, and it has got all of these properties. Okay, and if you expand this, it summarizes everything: capacity, like the approximate number of elements that the system.collections.hashtable object can initially contain. So it's a very good idea to keep on visiting the metadata. This is called how you got to this point is through the metadata, through reflection, which is also covered in one of the lectures. So through reflection, you can get everything that is covered within the hash table class with all the methods. These are the methods. These are the properties. Right. So it's always a good idea